What's up guys, in this video I'm going to show you that how you can use dynamic pricing for your products. So in most of the cases there are people who are suffering from the problem that they couldn't able to do the dynamic amount for their products, or maybe if they are interested to use any specific kind of donation on the website like WordPress website. So at that moment they have the problem to set up that, and in most of the cases they see that they have paid plugins but they don't able to find the free plugin. So I will be showing you that how you can use the free plugin and make the amount dynamic. So currently you can see that this is a kind of product, and here we have $25 US. So these are this is the fixed price, but I am interested to make it dynamic. So let me show you how. And other than that, I have also set up PayPal buttons, smart buttons actually, PayPal and debit or credit card in the previous video. So if you have not watched that, so I will be adding the link below in the description. So keep watching that specific video to set up the PayPal buttons on to your WordPress WooCommerce website. So you can actually enable buttons on the product page, cart page, and even checkout page. So let's do the settings for the dynamic pricing. So first of all, you need to go to your WordPress dashboard, and here on the left side you will be finding this plugins option, and once you will be hovering over it, you will be getting an option of add new. So you should click over it, and then you will be redirected to this specific page, and here you need to search product open pricing. All right. So then after you should you will be finding this kind of plugin. So here you can see that this is the symbol, and here we have product open pricing, name your price or WooCommerce. So let me click on install now. So you should install this specific plugin, and this will be adding the functionality into your WordPress website. All right. And make sure that you have already installed the WooCommerce plugin into your website, because WooCommerce is important for this, because this specific plugin is connected with the WooCommerce website. So first of all, you should install that WooCommerce plugin, and then after you should install and activate this product open pricing plugin. All right. So once you are done with everything, then you need to go to your products. So let me click on products. So here you will be getting, once you are clicking on products, then you will be getting the list of products. So you have to do a minor modification in each of the product which you are interested to show. So for example, you are using for donation, so of course you will have to show a single product with a specific image and description and title. So currently you can see that we have download PayPal smart button code for Shopify cart page. So this is the product actually, so I'm going to customize it. So if you are clicking on edit option here, and once you are editing that, then you will be getting a couple of options which you have to do that will actually link with your dynamic pricing. So let me show you how. So actually this is loading little slower, so you should scroll it down, and once this is loaded successfully, then you will be finding kind of option here like this. You can see that product open pricing. So actually we have already installed the plugin, that's why we are getting this product open pricing option. All right. So what you need to do is product open pricing. So for each of the product in which you are interested to use this specific functionality of dynamic price, so you should enable this one. So currently you can see that we have enable option no, then default pricing, minimum price, maximum price. All right. So you can set the minimum price, like for example you want to charge $5 minimum. If someone is adding $4, then you are not interested to take from them. So in that way you can also restrict the user from paying you any specific amount. And maximum price you can also add, for example $1,000 US. So if you are thinking you are getting any specific problem by getting bigger amount, so you can also restrict the user from getting the bigger amounts here. All right. And the default pricing is, for example, the input you don't want to keep it empty, so you are giving the option to your user that for example you are adding here $5. So by default, if someone is interested to pay you $5, then they will automatically go ahead and do the payment of $5. For example, I'm adding here $5, and here minimum price is for example $5 as well, and here we need to click on enable and then click on yes. All right, so minimum price is $5 means already you will be seeing that in the input box there would be $5 by default. So once you are done with both these changes, then you should click on update. So here I updated this specific product, and once you are updating this one, then you can actually see its preview, or even you can go to the products page and there you can refresh the page. So for example, I have this specific page, so let me show you how it would look like. So this is saved. Now let me refresh this page. So once you are refreshing this page, then you will be getting the option of dynamic pricing. So here you can see that we have name your price, I mean $5. Add, you can click on add to cart to proceed with that. So if your customer is interested to modify this $5 with any specific amount, for example 6 or maybe 10 or maybe 20, so whatever amount they will be writing, so automatically this would be added, and then they can move ahead with the checkout page. So I mean you could able to accept the amount. And one more thing is like we have name your price, so you can actually do some modification in the name of this specific price. So the page is loaded successfully, and now you should scroll it, and here you have the WooCommerce. Just hover over it and then you can click on settings. So once you are clicking on settings, then you will be also getting some options where you can actually customize the name, which is like name your price. So for example, you are interested to show your customers like donate now or something else, so you can actually write the specific label on this settings page. All right, so let's wait for a while, and this has been redirected now on the settings page. So here you can see that we have product open pricing. So just click on this specific option, and then you will be redirected to a page where you will be getting all these customization options. So you can do the editing and just click on save, and then everything would be reflecting over there. So here you can see that we have this option, name your price. So here for example, I am interested to write donate now. All right, so for example, I have written donate now, and you can also make some more changes like before add to cart. Currently you can see that we have add to cart button on the right hand side. So if you are interested to keep add to cart on the left hand side, that is also possible. So you can actually change the orientation here from here, and there are a couple of other things here. So front end loop template, so you should also keep it donate now here, and input field loop position, so you can actually input field you can also keep it on the right hand side. So these are the few minor things which you can actually modify. All right, then after you should click on save changes. So once changes are saved, then you should refresh the product page again, and you will be finding those modifications over here. So here you can see that now once this specific page is loaded successfully, then you can see that the label has been changed now, which is donate now. All right, so as you know that while getting the donation, we are always interested to give the choice to the customer that they according to their whatever they wish, they can donate. So of course we need to give them the customized option. So this is really helpful for those people who are trying to find this kind of option, that a customer must have a choice to pay you for a specific product. So hope you understand the concept, and if you are new on this channel, then please like and subscribe this channel and keep watching these videos. I'm putting a lot of good content on this channel. So thank you once again. See you in the next video.